welcome back to another video. So I'm just going to be opening a little bit of nail mail just to show you what I have got. Now I've already opened it just to make sure and pulled the address off. So basically these are some new nail decals, whatever you want to call them, and they are from JW Nail Decals. I found this girl on Instagram and absolutely loved what she had to offer, so I got these just to show you. So this is a full sheet of nail, for goodness sake, nail, I can't even say it, nail decal, or decal, whatever you call it, as I said. So you can cut this out to fit any length of nail at all, which is brilliant. So you'll get quite a lot of uses out of that. I also got some of these sent to me. Don't know if you can see the beautiful colours there. And we have, 2 minutes, I'll just open it to show you some of these ones too. So these are silver, which are beautiful. I got some of these mandala ones to try, and these are like rose gold. I don't know if you could see that. So these are rose gold, and obviously these are the ones that I showed you before. How beautiful are those, by the way? I also got some other ones to try as well. So we have some Gucci, just black. Some of these. So they'll be quite good on longer nails as well. Obviously you can cut them down to fit. I got some of these ones to try. So obviously these look quite big, but you could obviously cut them in half and put half on one nail and half on the other so that it looks like they're joining, if that makes sense. You can have them going up and down the way. The same with these. So yeah, they're going to be great for longer nails anyway, I know that. And I also got some of this, which will be great for longer nails, shorter nails. So if you're doing a shorter nail, you'd actually get 2 nails out of each part of that. So yeah, I just wanted to show you what she's got to offer. Obviously I've only got a couple of bits, but I'll leave all her details in the description below if you want to go and check out some of the other things that she has to offer, because she also does like these and this as well. She does them in all different colours, so you get a selection of the colour that you want, and I think the girl makes them herself, so I think there's, is it a 3-day turnaround? But yeah, so I will do another video later on with me using these, but I just wanted to come on and show you how wicked these were. At the moment these are definitely my favourite just because of the colour shift. It's gorgeous. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye for now.